So, Mazda CX-5. The look isn't exactly the same as the door that has already been removed from the car. How do you go about removing the plastic door sill from the vehicle? It is firmly attached to these plastic clips right here, and it continues along the full length of the threshold as well. For performing this task, you will need a hammer with a soft pad, the type that is rubber or plastic, not a hard metal one. In our particular case, we have one of these exact kinds right here on hand. To remove it, you need to slide it slowly and gently off these clips. In other words, you must strike it in that exact direction, along the same line, toward the front edge, clearly. That's about all there is to it, I suppose. And we still have these rather little clips, all the way along the entire length, you see. This is our threshold here, on the right-hand side of the assembly. Now I'll show you exactly how to remove these clips. We will need a screwdriver such as this one with a broad chisel-like tip. We will take this clip right now. And we slowly turn it toward us. Then with the sharp tip, we press it gently, softly. That is the sort of appearance it has. Here you can clearly observe that the holders are arranged exactly in this very way. When we press here with a screwdriver, it pops out from there.